how to fill income tax ITR to schedule 112A of Excel utility. This is my second video. The first video was filling the Java utility. To know the background about the issue, please refer to the link available in the description to my blog. This is a very simple technique. It cannot be called as a method itself. The first step is to select the file menu, options, trust center settings, and in macro settings select the disable all macros with notification, this option. Select OK. The next step is to download the Excel utility from income tax e-filing website. I have already downloaded it here. Now extract the Excel file from that to desktop. Now open the Excel utility. Click enable editing. Click enable content and go to this tab, this sheet, schedule 112A, and add how many rows you require. See, there are already 4 rows. I am adding 6 more rows to get a total of 10 rows. Okay, next save the file and close Excel. Open Excel again. File menu, options, trust center settings, trusted documents, and click this clear button and select yes. OK. Open Excel utility. And click enable editing. Now don't click this enable content now. Okay, don't click this enable content button. Open the sheet where you have saved your transactions and select each set of cells in a column and copy, and in the respective columns in the Excel utility paste values alone. You can do this from here, or you can use Control Alt and V. See, then copy the next column. I am using Control Alt and V and select this values and OK. Likewise, complete all the columns, fill all the columns. After filling all the columns by this copy paste, now click this enable content button. Okay, and then fill all the other necessary sheets and click this calculate tax button and then generate XML the same way as you do earlier. Okay.